I heard about Farm Jam through Jed, actually. We were on a trip down to Cam White's house, and after Cam's Jam or whatever, he was like, hey, you should come down to this event in New Zealand. And I'm like, all right. I was pretty psyched because it's in the middle of nowhere, and you know, you got the dirt jumps over here and then the motocross track over there. Well, it was cool because there were just so many people up there riding today. It was cool to get in the mix with everyone, and just, you know, there were a few trains that were happening, like a bunch of people jumping in, and yeah, it was cool. It was just like a day at the trails, and that's what I like. It was rad.
Yeah, amping off each other, like, you know, you see someone that's so sick, and you're like, oh, sweet, like, you know, that's just giving me an idea, like, hell yeah, I want to do that, like, you know? I mean, that's how we ride, that's how we've always ridden, like, that sort of, like, style, I guess. It's good vibes all around in that kind of way, like, everybody's just psyched on what everybody else is doing, and it's just, yeah, the best time ever. Awesomeness all over it. Party's gonna be on tonight. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make you feel right. We're gonna look until it feels the same. We're gonna show the party people that we got game. That's right. The party's gonna be on tonight. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make you feel right. We're gonna look until it feels the same. We're gonna show the party people that we got game. That's right. The party's gonna be on tonight. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make you feel right. We're gonna look until it feels the same. We're gonna show the party people that we got game. That's right. That's right. Party's gonna be on tonight. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make you feel right. We're gonna look until it feels the same. We're gonna show the party people that we got game. That's right. The party's gonna be on tonight. We're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make you feel right. We're gonna look until it feels the same. We're gonna show the party people that we got game. That's right. The party's gonna be on tonight. We're gonna make it